Hello dear students, welcome everybody. In this video I am going to talk about one poem that belongs to B.Ed 4th year Major English. It is from the course Literature for Language Development and it is from Unit 3, Exploring Language Through Literary Text. It is English poetry. The title of the poem is Pillar of Fame. This poem was composed by Robert Herrick, who was born in 1591 and died in 1674. Especially in this poem, I'm going to discuss about the main theme of this poem in both Nepali and English version. Watch the video till the end. And one more thing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. That always make me motivate to make such kind of video in the days to come. Now let's start this poem. पिलर अफ फेम भन्ने शीर्षकमा लेखिएको यस कविताका लेखक रोबर्ट हेरिक हुन्। विशेष गरी पिलर अफ फेम भन्ने यो शीर्षक बुझ्न जरुरी छ। फेम भनेको प्रसिद्धि, प्रसिद्ध र पिलर भनेको खम्बा। यो प्रसिद्धको खम्बा भन्ने शीर्षकमा लेखेको यस कवितामा कविले एउटा सफलता र प्रसिद्धलाई कसैले पनि रोक्न सक्दैन। किनभने कुनै पनि मानिसले राम्रो काम गरेको छ भने उसको फेम, उसको प्रसिद्धि र उसको सफलता सधैँ सधैँ रहिरहनेछ र एउटा खम्बा जस्तो अटल भएर रहनेछ। तसर्थ यो कवितामा एउटा सन्देश रहेको छ कि हामी सबै आफ्नो प्रसिद्ध, आफ्नो सफलतातिर लम्किनु, सफलताको सिडी चढ्नु जरुरी छ र हामी सफलता हासिल गरिसकेपछि, हामीले आफ्नो प्रसिद्ध कमाइसकेपछि, आफू प्रसिद्ध भइसकेपछि त्यो जीवन्त रहिरहनेछ। किनभने मानिसले कुनै राजाले शासन गर्यो भने निश्चित समयसम्म रहन्छ। हरेक कुराको चीज एउटा निश्चित समय रहेको हुन्छ, तर उसले प्राप्त गरेको प्रसिद्धि, उसको नाम सदा सदा अमर रहनेछ भनेर यस कवितामा रोबर्ट हेरिकले पिलर अफ फेम जुन चाहिँ इन्भिन्सिबल, जुन अजेय रहने, अक्षय रहने, अपराजित रहने र कसैले पनि मेट्न नसक्ने पिलर नै वास्तवमा मान्छेको प्रसिद्धता हो, उसको प्रसिद्धि हो, उसको सफलता हो भनेर यस कवितामा रोबर्ट हेरिकले एउटा पिलर अफ फेमको बारेमा चर्चा गरेका छन्। We'll now discuss about this poem in English version here. We will discuss about the summary and main point. Now let's discuss. Well, in this poem, especially this is a poem that symbolizes the idea of fame and its immortality using the pillar, because when a person gets fame, its popularity and his works, his creation always remains ever. Here, this poem focuses that fame is an entity that outlives every element, because it gets passed about through the tongues of people all over the world. When one person becomes great success and his fame and popularity is spread all over the world, and its creation and its task always remains forever eternally there. So here the poem is focusing on that we should establish a strong pillar of fame which cannot be disturbed by any forces. Pillar of fame remains throughout the history, and the poet focuses that fames are built on indomitable foundation, and that is aesthetically portrayed through the structure of the sentence. Here, Robert Herrick talk about this one 17th century poet and Selric focuses on that we should establish a strong pillar of fame which cannot be easily broken by any forces, and it remains immortal there. That is all about this poem, Pillar of Fame. Especially here, the narrator tells the reader about putting up a pillar of fame. The pillar is described as strong, stable, and indomitable by any force of nature, and the poem beautifully symbolizes the idea of fame and its immortality using the pillar. The main idea of its indescribable is to show that with the fame is almost the same. Being famous is something that lasts forever. People can be famed during the lives, but also after the death. This is something strong. The wait, I discuss about this concept in this poem, The Pillar of Fame, with outlast and ever, eternally it outlasts there. The poet talks about this. So that is all about this poem, The Pillar of Fame. I hope student got the concept. If you have any confusion regarding this, you can put a comment on this video so that I can put forward. I can reply to you. Now we are at the end of this video. Hope to meet you all in the next interesting video, another interesting poem. Till then, goodbye and take care.